Good morning, Flaubert. Hi. All right, I'm about to open up our little bunny barn door. Say good morning. Oh, here we go. Oh, happy, what's the date today? 21st of March. What in the world? Great. We thought we were done with winter. Yeah, they said 1 inch. What is this? It's a little more than an inch. Let's see. Let's see what we've got going on here. Oh, Flaubert's frisky. Get all this snow out of here. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Oh, good morning, duckies. Yeah, that's a little more than an inch. Oh my goodness. That's probably about, geez, 8 inches? At least right here. Maybe it's just kind of coming up in little drifts. But I don't know. That looks like, yeah, at least 6 inches. He's going back in. Flaubert, are you done? Yeah. Oh my goodness, we didn't expect this today. They have been wrong about our weather all winter. Oh, duckies, it got all snowy in your little house. All right. I'm going to start the day, let everybody out, give out some breakfast, and then I'm going to give out some fresh bedding because everybody's bedding got cold and wet last night. Looks like the snow kind of drifted into the goose house. We've got a couple of geese on nests. 1 more week till goslings start hatching, so what are we supposed to do with this? All right. Good morning. Yeah, this is... Olaf, it's at least 6 inches of snow. Good morning. Hi. Are you going to say good morning? Hi. Oh, there he is. Good morning, girls. Well, good morning. Oh. We're thinking about Aunt Tweety today, this week, every day. Aunt Tweety, we love you so much. We're sending you all of our love, all of our support. I bet it looks a little different in Florida today. Whoa, the wind almost pushed me over just now. Woohoo! We call these the devil winds. All right. All right, I better start giving out breakfast before we have a revolt. Good morning. Okay, breakfast time. I'll go get it. We love you. We love you a lot. We miss you. All right. Oh, jeez. And we'll see you soon. Bye.